Hello students, this is Dr. Praveen Kumar, a clinical pharmacologist. I will be your tutor for the subject of pharmacology. I did my MBBS from Tanjore Medical College, followed by MD in pharmacology from Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education Research, PGIMER Chandigarh, and DM in clinical pharmacology from the same institute. I got the silver medal for being the topper in MD pharmacology, as well as Bhargava Gold medal for being the best outgoing student in preclinical sciences. I am also a Lindau Nobel Laureate alumni for the year 2020. Being your tutor of pharmacology, it is my foremost duty to make the subject of pharmacology easy to understand, remember, assimilate as well as reproduce in the examination. This I will be doing by means of charts, mind maps, graphical illustrations as well as algorithms and flowcharts. Pharmacology, as you all will be aware of, is a very important subject, having many questions appearing from this one very subject, and also the questions of pharmacology gets overlapped with other subjects. So basically, if you are extensive with this one very subject, you are not only going to solve the questions of pharmacology but also the questions of other subjects as well. I'll be specifically pointing out these during our discussions. Having published more than 50 research papers in index journals, I will be helping you in solving questions which are appearing from research papers. These questions are generally skipped by routine students. But in AIIMS, we will be giving special emphasis for these questions which will be appearing from research papers and will help you in solving those as well. Lastly, I want to say that this big sea of entrance examination, we can collaborate our own exam as a strong ship which will be helping you in crossing from this end to that end safely as well as in a very big way. Come, let's all sail through the journey together. Thank you so much.